Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to view all authorized devices on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to view all of your authorized devices for your Steam account, first open up a Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I have already logged into my Steam account over here on the Steam app. And when you land on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your username available for us. At the top right where my mouse is hovering with the drop down arrow, click on your username at the top right corner, and this kind of menu will appear where you can see the account details option available for us. Just below the view my profile, click on account details option over here, and we'll land on this interface of the Steam where you can see the authorized devices option available for us. At the left side of the screen where my mouse is hovering, click on that authorized devices, and all of your authorized devices for your Steam account will be available over here. And with that being said guys, you can also deauthorize or sign out of all devices and deauthorize the devices if you want by clicking on the remove all credentials. That being said guys, this is how you will be able to view all of your authorized devices on a Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.